Okay, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply authentication and authorization per directory without touching the httpd.config file or httpd vhost config file, right? Um, just assume if I wanted password protect more than one directory, as we have done in here for the folder 1 directory, I have to add the same block to this file as many times as I need for every single folder that I need to password protect. What we're going to do is now we're adding a container that has a directive that is called allow overwrite all, which gives the permission to the folders that we're targeting, any subfolder in that folder, to be password protected by just adding one file, and that is called .htaccess file. Let's go ahead and see how this is done. So the very first thing I do is inside the virtual host container, or it can be inside http.config file, I will go ahead and target the directory that I want, allow this directory to override, or add .htaccess file anywhere within that directory. Okay, the path will be var www gblearn.ca htdocs, and that is where I want to give access or allow override. So here, simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this directive, allow override all, right? Let's go ahead, save this file. Of course, I have to restart the server, so I'm going to do that. Apache restart. Okay, everything looks okay. I refresh the page and nothing has changed yet. So the first thing I have to do, I have to create folder 2 so I can password protect that one. So let's go ahead to where I have my website on this server, var www.gblearn.ca htdocs. So right here, I will go ahead and create another folder, call it folder 2. I'll go inside folder 2, and of course I will create an HTML file so we can access and see the content. In this case, I just echo the content to the file rather than opening the file. This is a file. This is the file in folder 2, and then simply I have to put this one into index.html with the greater than sign. So doing so, I can simply go here slash folder 2. I can see the content in that file, right? So that is the file I want to password protect. So what I'm going to do is, in order to be able to do this, I simply have to create a file. Now I go here and open a file called .htaccess, right? So I open this file. What do I have to put in this file is the content that I had in the vhost file. So just go ahead, put this one in one more time so you can see it. So we have auth type, we have auth name, we have auth user file where the file is, and we simply go ahead and add require valid user as well. Okay, restricted area, let me just go ahead and add something here as well. Folder 2 this time, right? So I save this file. Uh, do I need to restart Apache? Not really. If I go ahead and refresh this, it simply will ask me for the username and password. The user I have is John. I have created this in my previous video, and then I will put the password in. Simply will give me access to the file. I can do this, continue doing this, just simply by adding the .htaccess file to any folder that I want to make it password protected. I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.